All right, here's how to quickly use a track or identify event to create a user segment in Dittofeed in order to automate welcome emails. In your Dittofeed workspace, navigate to the Segments tab. Click Create Segment. Give it a relevant name like User Signed Up. Click Create. In the Conditioner Group dropdown, select User Performed, then click the Event Name field and start typing to search for a relevant event. I'm going to use this sign up event. Note that this event may be named something else within your user data, such as created account, which is more common for e-commerce businesses. And now we'll select exactly one time performed. We'll also add a time window of 30 minutes to prevent users who've signed up far in the past from receiving the welcome email. Let's set this to 30 minutes. Hit save. So now there's your segment. But there's actually an alternative and shorter way of creating an equivalent segment using a created at identify event. Head back to create segment. Let's name this new users. Click create. The condition or group should be set to user traits, and the trait should be created at. The operator should be within, and let's set a equivalent time value of 30 minutes, like the last segment. Hit save. Now we can head over to the Journeys tab, create a new journey. The entry node should use one of your new segments, either one will do. And now you can drag in a message template. This is a test workspace, so these are going to be nonsense templates, but let's select a template so that when we go to configure, we can hit start. After hitting start, all new signups will automatically receive your welcome email upon signing up for your product or service. I hope this was helpful, and note that creating 2 equivalent segments was for tutorial purposes only, so feel free to delete whichever segment you don't use.